everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix Google Drive app not syncing. To fix Google Drive not syncing, you need to follow these steps. So there might be a couple different reasons why the issue might have occurred. So first of all, you could always check or go with the basic steps, that is checking your internet connection. So a stable internet connection is crucial for syncing. So you could make sure that both the devices are connected to the same internet connection, as well as make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If not, you could also try disabling your Wi-Fi for a couple of seconds and at the same time restart your router or modem. That might be able to help. Apart from it, what you could also do is, if that doesn't work out, you could also restart your Google Drive. Now here, you could do is close the background running application completely, and then restart your device at the same time. That is also going to help you out. Next, you could also do the same thing on the other device. And if that also doesn't work out, then you could also try checking for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. So head over to your respective app store. On the search box, you want to type in Drive and check for an update. And likewise, in some cases, if you have a lot of folders or files onto your drive, that might also cause an issue, or that can also be an issue. So you could also make sure to delete unnecessary files and folder that is no longer needed. So these are a couple of things you could try to fix Google Drive app not syncing. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And lastly, you could also check or maybe disable your antivirus or VPN. That could also be an issue.